Now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with medium noise option inside of Corel Draw. So if I were to go ahead and select this particular image right here, I can go around onto effects, and then I'm going to go around over here onto a noise section. And here you can see that medium noise is an option. So once you go around onto medium noise, nothing actually seems to happen. But if I were to increase out the radius, you can see that it does not take in the whites right here, but simply goes around and takes some pixels and blurs it out, blends it together so that it is softer, as you can see right here. And that is what the median noise actually does. It softens out the pixels so that they blend out with each other. So you can see that this is 8 times, and then let's say for example 13 times, and so forth right here. So you can go around and see before and after right here, just like this, and that is it. So that is how you can actually go ahead and work around with the median noise option inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.